Hey there, it's Shal from Leads Panda. Today we are going to go over 7 tips on how to choose the right CMS in 60 seconds. Let's go. Number 1, do your research. Research and make a comparison list before choosing the best CMS for you. Number 2, select a CMS which meets your needs. Prepare a checklist of what you are looking for and find the CMS that has all your requirements. Number 3, go for a friendly user interface. Go for a CMS that makes collaboration easier. Productivity will be higher if your CMS is easy to use. Number 4, check its SEO related features. To win the SEO game, you want to check if it comes with required SEO tools. Number 5, be practical. Before you purchase, check the price, packages, and other additional costs. And ask the question, is this a right price? Number 6, security should be your priority. Make sure the platform has strong security. You don't want to get hacked and have serious security issues. Number 7, data is everything. You want your CMS to have the ability to track metrics and analytics for you. More importantly, it needs to have the feature to integrate with Google Analytics. If you enjoyed this content, give us a like or subscribe to our channel and let me know the most important CMS features you're looking for. Thanks. If you're struggling with your content marketing, I would encourage you to log on to leadspanda.com to learn more about how we can help you. See you next time.